What's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob back with another video. Now, in this video, I'm going to do an update. I bought myself a PlayStation 5, and one of the things when you buy a PlayStation 5 is that the internal storage is a little bit lacking. Another at least 200 I think gigabytes of that memory is used up by the operating system, leaving you a net total of somewhere around 639. I'm quite sure somebody's going to correct me down below what the exact number is, but that's neither here nor there. I'm here to add an SSD drive to my PlayStation to expand the memory, 2 terabyte Western Digital NVMe drive with a heatsink, which is very important. You must have a heatsink attached to any SSD card that you're going to attach, that you're going to add to the PlayStation. So I'm going to do a quick install of this. What you would need to do is have a PlayStation. You want to have it logo down, face away from you, and let me see here. You want to lift up and slide. See if I can get this. Comes off like that, easy peasy. Push that off to the side. Now, right here is where you're gonna install this baby at. So let me get it quickly unboxed. So make sure you buy one with the heatsink on it. Or if you're daring enough to put it together, do it. All right, I'm gonna get the top off of this right now. Okay, make sure you place that to the side. Take the screw apart. Once you remove this screw, please take care not to drop it back inside of the PlayStation. Put it to the side because you're going to be needing, and it's a sleeve that you need. Very tiny. I don't know if it'll show on camera. You're going to put that in the first slot, 80, which is what the Western Digit recommend. Now here's the most important part. You have to be very careful with the pins. You got to match the pins up with the slot that you're going to be plugging this in. So the pins right here should match what you see inside of the actual PlayStation. Angle it down. Nice little clicking noise. Should be a little springy right there. Take the smaller one that you just took out, press this down, and drop it back into the sleeve and reattach everything. So everything's nice. And now you want to put the plate back on. Make sure you fit it in correctly. There you go. Make sure everything lines up. Take that screw, the larger of the screw. Make sure it doesn't move around. Okay, I did a good job. Now it's time to reattach the plate. And we're good to go. So I'm about to get this back on the stand, and I'm gonna move to my TV and finish this installation. Show you how you have to format it, and I'm gonna show you that real quick. Now that I got the SSD installed, I'm gonna move over to the TV and get everything turned on. Now, when you turn it on, you're going to be greeted with this message that tell you, you need to format your SSD in order for it to work with your PlayStation. And once you go through that whole process, it only takes maybe less than 2 minutes to format it. Now, once formatted, it will give you the read speed of the SSD. Now, the PlayStation 5 only requires you to be at a 5500 read speed, and my SSD is well above the requirement of the PlayStation 5. Now, due to the fact that my PlayStation was abruptly cut off, it did have to reformat the hard drive, but that's pretty much standard whenever the PlayStation 5 loses power. But as you can see right here, everything booted up perfectly, and I was ready to use my new SSD. So that pretty much does it for the installation of the Western District SSD on the PlayStation 5. If you have any questions, I will leave the size of the actual screwdriver that I use, all the little tidbits and information I will leave down in the description. Other than that, I do appreciate you guys giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I catch everybody in my next video. I'm out.